is happening in our country. So what about those who do not belong to political parties? They are not human beings anymore. So in our country today, if you do not belong to a political party, if you are not a member of a political party, you lose all your rights as a citizen. What nonsense is that? And then, so what?
This law they want to pass, it is not legal. They know very well it's not legal. They know if they go to Anglo Gold to come and say this, if they go to Newman to go and say this, they will take them before the international courts. And Ghana will suffer. Ghana will pay big time. They know. They know very well. You cannot send this nonsense. Jimmy said, we want me fan call Anglo Gold. When I say Newman, they will sue you big time before International Criminal Court. And Ghana will pay. Let me go to the GoldBod. GoldBod, by now everybody is aware of it. Some 400 million Ghana cedis has been allocated for them to start operations. What is this gold about? This GoldBod about? This GoldBod is simple. They have been created to monopolize the purchasing of gold in Ghana in the small-scale mining sector. Now, small-scale mining sector, we must understand that it is a well-regulated sector. Small-scale mining, enye galamsey. Enye galamsey. It is a well-regulated sector. People are doing mining responsibly on a small scale. A lot of them. Spike said, what was daughter's policy on Ghana? Okay, I will speak on that. Thank you for reminding me. I'll speak on that. People are mining on a small scale responsibly. They have license. They go for license renewal. They make sure that they do reclamation and all. Now, what is happening now? What is happening now is that John Mahama is saying that you can have your company. You can go and look for your funding to buy the equipment that you need to start mining. But after mining, whatever gold you have, you must sell it to Sammy Gyamfi. As simple as that. John Mahama is saying that when you go into the forest, when you go into your concession and you mine, whatever gold you get, sell it to Sammy Gyamfi. You cannot sell your gold to whoever you want any longer. You must by force sell the gold to Sammy Gyamfi. And government has given, Mami said, can you imagine in today's Ghana? Yeah. Government has given our taxpayers' money, 400 million, to Sammy Gyamfi's PMMC that they should use that to start buying gold from the small-scale mining. Now, why is it not good? It is not good because we have the example of GoldBod as a point of reference. And number two, the forest implication. When I say forest, I don't mean FORST, no. I mean the forest exchange implications. So I want to give you a short education on this. Let's say that I, as a businessman, I have a gold concession. And Gattuso is my client. He's in the UK. So whenever I get gold, I mine and I get my gold, I sell it directly to Gattuso's company in UK. And Gattuso pays me in pounds or he pays me in dollars. You and I know that the dollar is a safe currency. Not like the Ghana cedi that maybe one or two things, then depreciation happens. So I prefer to sell to Gattuso's company in dollars or pounds at the world market price. So if on the global market, gold is being sold, let's say 1 kilo for, let's say, $100. Going to sell my gold to Gattuso, I will sell it at that exchange rate, at that price. So if I have 1 kilo of gold, I will sell it to Gattuso at $100 because that is how it's being bought everywhere in the world. I get my money, I put it in my account in Ghana. Now, Mahama is saying that even though I have a ready buyer, Gattuso in UK, I don't have the right to go and sell it to Gattuso any longer. I have to sell it to Sammy Gyamfi. Now, it's not as if Sammy Gyamfi is coming to buy it from me at the world market price. So, Sammy Gyamfi will come and, let's say, for instance, the world market price is $100. $100 right now should be around 1,700 cedis. So, it's not as if Sammy Gyamfi will come and buy it from me at 1,700 cedis. So, no. Sammy Gyamfi can come and buy it from me at 1,000 cedis. Then after me, I sell it to Sammy Gyamfi at 1,000 cedis. He will go and sell it to whoever he wants to at 1,700 cedis. And he will even sell it in dollars. So in the end, I will be shortchanged. It will become broad daylight robbery, as it is happening to most of our cocoa farmers. When they are buying the cocoa, maybe at, say, 9,000 Ghana cedis per bag, then NDC was paying them around 450 cedis. It took Akufo-Addo to increase it up to somewhere 3,500. You see? But even till now, the amount of money they are buying the cocoa from the cocoa farmers is so low that many people will prefer to smuggle it to Côte d'Ivoire, smuggle it to Togo to go and sell. And it's causing a lot of issues because once people start smuggling, the government will not get tax. It cannot be taxed. And it's destroying a lot of business. A lot of things about Ghana is destroying them. It is this same thing that Sammy Gyamfi wants to do now. Now, here is a catch. You might think that Sammy Gyamfi will not be the one benefiting from it directly. So look at the other point in the thing they are presented to, the bill they have presented to Parliament. The other side, the other catch in what they have presented to government to Parliament is that now Sammy Gyamfi's GoldBod is going to license some people who will be now the legal exporters of gold in Ghana. Sammy Gyamfi's GoldBod is going to be now the body to give license to people to be exporting gold. So right now, I can no longer say that I have a company, I've gotten gold, I will sell it. If you want to sell, you must go for another license from Sammy Gyamfi's GoldBod. And I tell you, the reason is that when you apply for a license, it is up to Sammy Gyamfi and his GoldBod to give you the license or not give you the license. You cannot take them to court because they have refused to give you a license. Eric, how are you? You get it? So in the end, what is going to happen is that NDC financiers, the likes of the brother of the president, will become the sole exporters of gold. And nobody will be able to do anything about it because you will be told that the GoldBod has sat down and has approved their licenses. It is going to become what Mami terms selective licensing. You come to me, I see your face. Can you pay me $5 million bribe? You cannot pay it. I'm not giving you any license. Go and sit down somewhere. You come to me. Are you an NDC person? How much did you invest into the campaign of John Mahama? You didn't invest anything. I can't give you a license. Go and sit down. You come to me. Who is your godfather? Oh, my godfather is Nanado. Nanado, where? MPP Nanado. Go and sit down somewhere. That is what is going to happen. So in the end, a cabal, a mafia, will be responsible for exporting gold and making tons and tons of profit Meanwhile, the people who are putting in the hard work down there will just be getting peanut. The dangers. Very soon, people will start, if you allow this bill to pass into law, people will start smuggling gold. And Sammy Gyamfi is saying that if you have a concession and over a period of time you are not coming to GoldBod to come and sell your gold to them by force, when the time comes for you to come and renew your license, it will not be renewed. You see, they are doing everything possible to force you to sell your gold to them. So if you don't sell your gold to them over time, when the time comes for you to renew your license, it will not be renewed. Now, what this means is that people who are doing legal mining, legal small-scale mining, will want to go and renew their license. They will refuse to grant them the licenses. But they cannot close down the company. So a legal person will become an illegal miner. So once the person starts doing illegalities, there comes in the idea of protecting my concession. If I want to protect my concession against Sammy Gyamfi and soldiers coming to take over, what do? I buy guns. A tool, give it to people to start protecting my concession. Military is coming, they shoot at them. Mineral Commission is coming, they shoot at them. Because I wanted to renew my license, you say you will not renew it for me. This thing is already happening in other countries. Take our brother, Nigeria. It's happening there. There are some states that have oil. We in Ghana, we don't so far have any inland oil exploitation. All of them are in the ocean. But in Nigeria, some of the inland places, on the land, have oil exploration. So people are involved in the inland exploration. When Congo is also part, Liberia, Sierra Leone, some of these things happened there, and yes, Delta State, and people became militias. They have to buy guns to protect themselves against the government because they want to forcefully take over their businesses. That is where we are headed to with this GoldBod thing that John Mahama and Sammy Gyamfi are pushing on the neck of Ghanaians, down the throat of Ghanaians. It is a very big and huge danger. And this is the reason why we must speak against it. These are some of the things that start brooding civil war in nations, instability. Let's ask ourselves this question. If this GoldBod was something proper, it was not to take undue advantage of Ghanaians who are legally doing mining. Why is it that they are not telling the big companies like Anglo Gold, Newmont, also the same thing, that they cannot sell their gold outside, they must sell their gold to Sammy Gyamfi? Why? This law they want to pass, it is not legal. They know very well it's not legal. They know if they go to Anglo Gold to come and say this, if they go to Newmont to go and say this, they will take them before international courts. And Ghana will suffer. Ghana will pay big time. They know. They know very well. You cannot send this nonsense. Jimmy said, "We won't me fan call Anglo Gold." When I say Newmont, they will sue you big time before International Criminal Court, and Ghana will pay. So it is those of us, children of charcoal sellers, who have hustled and have been able to raise some capital, have paid for license to do our own business. We are the ones that they can take advantage of. It is going to become a typical bamboo the work, monkey the chop scenario. That is it. Some big men will be somewhere with their pot belly seated. People will go and dig, pray to God for luck, get the gold. to come and buy it cheap and go and sell it big. Is that where we want Ghana to go? Is that the kind of direction we want Ghana to head into? We must all rise. It's for that reason that over the past 48, 72 hours, I have started contemplating. I've started contemplating that as a matter of urgency, we need to bring our youth groups together and demonstrate in Accra against this GoldBod. Talking alone is not going to be enough. TikTok Live, Facebook Live and co. alone isn't going to be enough. We must, as a matter of urgency, start drawing the attention of the international media so that they know that this GoldBod thing is not as if Ghanaians are in agreement with it. They are coming to take advantage of us, and worst of all, they are coming to destabilize our democracy. Because when we get to the place where people will start thinking that government is taking advantage of them, they start buying their own guns to secure themselves. What is going to happen is that government will declare a state of emergency and we will not be able to vote in 2028. And your mama will stay on because there's instability in the nation. We do not want instability. We want to be able to vote every 4 years. And so we must not allow NDC, John Mahama, Sammy, Gyamfi and co. to jeopardize with our democracy with this GoldBod thing they want to do because of their selfishness. We have to come together and demonstrate. And I am willing to coordinate this very demonstration. I'm going to start speaking to some TESCON reps. Let's get people together. If whoever can help us get buses, we will mobilize the youth from some of the universities under TESCON. We head to Accra and we demonstrate. Because we have sat down for too long. And this thing, we do not take care, they are going to pass it in parliament. If Ghanaians were able to stand against the construction of a new parliamentary chamber, then indeed we Ghanaians can also stand against this GoldBod. Because it is evil. It is an evil agenda. It's an evil agenda. It's an agenda to let just one family hijack our gold sector. Where are my moderators? Why are you not blocking people? Please, if you want to be a moderator, let me know so that I make you a moderator and then you block people for me. Where are my moderators? Please, who wants to be a moderator? Or who knows how to moderate? Say it, let me make you a moderator so that I can block people for me. All right, aspiring is available. Yes, we block people. This is my platform. Lana is my platform. I'm the one who built it. If I block it, it's none of your business. I block people, it's none of your business. Okay. Aspiring, I've made you a moderator. Don't just mute them, block them. Okay? I'm giving you that power. Block them. We have more than 150,000 followers already. Until blocking the panel, who muting we are blocking. All right. So that is about the GoldBod. So demonstration is loaded. We will do it. We will use about a month or two to prepare and do it. We must send a signal, a very clear signal to them that we are not to be taken for granted. If even their own person, Uncle Fifi Pratt, has come out to shout that they have not sold the country to Mahama, or they have not sold the country to Mahama, then you should know there is fire on the mountain. People who contested, people who supported them, campaigned for them, are now coming out to say they have not sold the nation, no, they have not sold it to Mahama, or they have not. Should tell you, Kwesi Pratt here, Kwesi Pratt, sorry, not Fifi Pratt, Kwesi Pratt. He's already in parliament, mommy. He's already in parliament. He's already at the consideration stage at the at the committee level in parliament.